Rightio, so this is how to replace the tailgate handle on a RG Colorado, or Facelift RG Colorado. So the first step you'll need to do is or the tools you'll need are a T20 Torx bit, Phillips head screwdriver, and something sharp or pointy to get in under these caps. So first thing you gotta do is lift the caps and then undo the 4 screws, and then there's 8 Torx screws to do underneath it, and then there's 2 Phillips head screws you got to undo, plus undo the clips to the bars that connect in. So this is going to be a how-to guide to do that. I'll walk through it, and then I'll fit the replacement one that I bought online. So a replacement one off eBay, genuine, it's about 700 bucks. Secondhand, 350. This was 100 bucks off eBay. It doesn't have the barrel or the camera, so that's what makes it cheap, whereas the genuine ones have the camera in it. So if you don't need the camera, this is a much better option. Right, so that's going to make 3 off. I don't need that much off those. 1, 2, 3, 4 these. Please not fucking touch them. And then what we'll do is we'll just lift that off so it just slides out of that groove. We're going to put it down beside the ute. Right. Then there's these 4 washers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that in there. Now these are those Torx bits. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. And they are T20, I think it is. Yep, T20. So just start at one end and work your way down. Right, so once that's done, that just lifts off, and then you've got your mechanism. So what you got to do there is these bits here, all you do is you just pull the plastic bit, it slops out, and then the bar comes out. And we'll do the same on this one, and then do the same on this one. Oh, that's a bit tight. So they just clip on, and then the bar lifts out. Then we've got to do undo this and undo this. So that's this one here. They will be really tight. You got to make sure you use the right head, otherwise it'll break. That one goes there. And then this one. Ooh, right. And then what I'm going to do is drop it out and then just feed it back through. Right. So there we have it. That's that bit, which is the same as that. So let's pop this thing out. So that now the lock barrel can go through there. And then let's get the camera off. I assume it's the same one. Yep. Right, so So that's the camera, and now they're the same. So I'll just undo these and then put the camera back in. Right, so done with this camera. Yeah. So now that we got that, let's feed it back through. So all we're doing is the opposite of what we did to get it out. I've put the camera in. I'm just going to fit these screws loosely. Wherever the other one went. Rightio, do them up. To fit everything back in here, so all you do is push the bar in and then clip it in. Do the same thing with this one. Bar goes in, clips on, bar goes in, clips on. Right, next thing you want to do is put everything back together. Right. Final step is to put the liner back on. Gently place it down so you don't knock the washers. I like to get them started, all started before I do them up.